Day 1, we make lunch at 3 p.m. At lunch, we have quinoa salad with lemon vinaigrette. It should take around 20 minutes to make this. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, half a cup chopped cucumbers, half a cup cherry tomatoes halved, a quarter cup chopped red onion, a quarter cup crumbled feta, 2 tablespoons olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a large bowl, combine quinoa, cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion and feta. 2. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper. 3. Pour the vinaigrette over the quinoa mixture and toss to combine. The quinoa salad is good for you because it is high in fiber and antioxidants and promotes heart health. Subscribe and smash the like button for more free recipes that get you fit.